This one is the doorbell. This is my phone. This doorbell is used the app ubox. Ubox. First, when you need to install the doorbell in your home, you need to check on your phone and check the Wi-Fi. The dispositives is coming to China not support the Wi-Fi 5G, only 2.4. This is my Wi-Fi 5G. The doorbells don't work for this one. You see it? It's only work for 2.4. I know this one is 2.4. I changed the name. I put like that. This 5G. Okay. When you comprehend that and you listen me that for the Wi-Fi, you go to the app ubox. Ubox. Open the ubox. You open. Right now, you need to go. I close. Log out. You need to register. You don't have account in this app. You need to register in this. Put your email, the password. Follow the instruction for you have the user in here in this app, and when you finish, you log in. It's open. Yeah. You add the device. Set up Wi-Fi device.
Power on the camera. Check that blue indicator LED is blinking.
It's blinking. You see? It's blinking. You put yes.
Enter the camera name and address.
The
Using
name.
default name and address can go to the next step directly.
The name, whatever you want to put. Living room, front door. Living room, I put my name, Carlos. Next.
Enter the Wi-Fi password. Please do not connect with the 5G.
5G is don't work. I have my Wi-Fi and my password. Connect.
Use your camera to scan the QR code. Maintain a distance of about 4 inches until you hear the confirmation.
Pairing information received inside the doorbell.
Camera installed successfully. Fully charge the camera at first use.
Connect. This is my face. This is the doorbell. The camera to the doorbell. And that's it, guys. That you configure the doorbell when I use the ubox app. Thank you.